All right, welcome to everybody over at Flowkeeper Sewer Drain. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how you can increase your online presence and bring in more customers. All right, so this is your website. All right, I like the layout. It's not bad at all. This is your service page, so I'm actually going to bring you to the home page. You got you guys up on the front there. We got your back when you're backed up. I think that's awesome. All right, we just I could talk to you more about what I would like to see, what improvements I'd like to see. All right, I'm glad you guys got your email right up here and a phone number. Okay, this is all good to see. Contact us, a big button right there. Yeah, but overall, just like would see more words on the front. All right, I like to tell my clients around 1,500 words on that front page. All right, that's actually the first thing I wanted to talk to you about was content. Okay. So content is anything that's on your website, even when a picture is saved as. So let me see if I can save this picture. And what it should say is exactly that, Flowkeeper. Have your name in the picture, what's saved as the picture, because Google is going to go in there and it's going to start ranking your website. All right, when it sees that your business name is saved as the photo, or the photo is saved as the business name, including whatever you do, sewer and drain cleaning, it likes that. Google likes that a lot. So I'm glad you guys got that down. All right. When I typed in Flowkeeper Plumbing in Yonkers, this is what popped up. Okay. We have the Google guarantees right here, which I would definitely invest in. They're better than regular Google ads, because Google ads, a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So sometimes that's kind of difficult to bypass unless you have something else like Google Guaranteed. All right, so those always work. And then we have the Google Map Pack. All right, the businesses that show up in here usually get the most calls. All right, so we want to kind of get your business in there at some point. All right, I didn't see if you guys had a. I don't see if you guys. I don't see your Google My Business. It usually pops up over on this right-hand side. So that's something that we have to talk about. The second thing that I want to talk to you about today, out of the 3 things, is a citation. Now, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, so once we have the Google My Business down, all that information goes in the Google My Business. Okay, so that's something that we have to look into. All right, we could talk more about that. All right, so I also looked up plumbers in Yonkers. I wanted to see if I would find you guys in here. Because at the end of the day, we want to get you to that front page of Google, and I don't see you guys on this front page. I also did sewer and drain services. I don't see you guys either. Okay, so that's something that we got to do. So this next website right here, actually, I'm not going to show you this yet. The third and final thing I wanted to talk to you about today is backlinks. All right, backlinks are simply websites that have like ads of your business linking to your website. Okay, so and they're not all created equal. Backlinks are not created equal at all. Okay, but what that does is it starts bringing in more potential customers to your website. Google's going to rank you guys more. All right. It's good to have great, healthy backlinks. All right. You don't want to ask like what's a good example? Well, what's a bad example? Like a barbershop website. All right. You don't want to put a plumbing ad on a barbershop website, because that's not what people want when they're looking for a haircut. So you want to put your website ads in pages that show like 9 best sewer cleaning services. That's like that's one that you want. That's a backlink that you're gonna want to get into. All right. So you got to get in front of the audience. All right. So again, Ahrefs, I pay for this website monthly. Okay, this shows me all the data that that Google has on each site. They pay Google for these numbers. All right. So being your website, I don't see any data here. Okay, I don't know why. I don't know how new the website is, but there's no data whatsoever, which is very interesting. But I'll show you some competitors real quick. All right, we got Pro Drain Inc. All right, their website's okay. They got like some pictures, some words, which again, that's better, you know. But as we're checking out the numbers here, they're not doing a lot much better either. Okay. I'm going to explain to you these numbers. The URL rating out of a 100-point scale, they have a 24, and that's how much trust that Google has in their website. All right, and the domain rating, they have a 5 out of 100, and that's pretty much how much power that Google gives their website. All right, so 73 domains give them 1.79 thousand backlinks. So those backlinks I'm talking to you about. These are the ones that are live. These are the ones that they previously have had in the past. I can tell that these are not good backlinks because they're keeping this domain number really low. All right, so Google's going to see that and say, hey, this is we don't want to trust it. We don't want to give a lot of power to this website. All right, so the last thing I wanted to talk to you about was keywords. All right, so let's see what they're ranking for. They have 289 keywords right now. All right, so when we take a look at this, keywords are pretty much anything anyone types in on Google. So anything can be a keyword. All right, so you want to kind of rank for the correct keywords based on your business. Position here, we want to rank first in everything that we go for. All right, that's kind of what we're aiming for. The volume is how many people monthly are searching for each keyword. So pro drain. What is drain cleaning? 250 people look for that monthly. So that's a good idea. Drain scoping, 80. Position 3 for that. Drain cleaning plumber, 1,300. And we don't want national keywords. We want kind of like area specific. So, you know, we want to get Yonkers in there. All right. Plumbers, Mamaroneck. I don't know how to pronounce that. But sewer cleaning, 150. I'm just kind of going through and looking. Drain cleaning service, 150. Plumber camera inspection, 700 people a month look for that. So if we could get ranked first position, that's like an extra 700 customers a month. All right, think about what that could do for your business. That changes lives right there. Okay, I don't know how much exactly each job costs. I know it probably ranges, but an extra 700 customers a month, that changes lives right there. So keywords are super powerful in this sense. All right, this is Farrell Plumbing. I want to show you their numbers too because they're not doing that good either. See, they have all these backlinks and it's keeping them at a 0.2 because they're not good backlinks. All right, we'll see what they're ranking for. See, Plumber Yonkers, 250 people look for that monthly, and if we can get in that first position for that, you guys are gonna have all those customers. Okay, that changes lives, that changes businesses. Like, sky's the limit for this, and whatever dreams or goals that you have for your personal life or business, these keywords and doing all of this together, the citations, the backlinks, the content, all together, this is what's going to change your lives. All right. These tools are very powerful, and a lot of business owners, I get a lot of business owners don't have the time to do this, so they'd rather ask somebody else to do this for them. You know, Nate, can you build a website? Nate, can you rank me for these keywords? Nate, can you find me some healthy backlinks? We could talk more about this. Seriously, I know it's getting to like a 10-minute video, but all this information together combined, like, think about it. This is huge. This information, I'm giving you some free tips today, definitely. If you're not looking to work together, that's totally fine. Run off with these free tips, all right, and do whatever you can with them. I'm posting this on YouTube, so this video will be up for you to watch over and over again. All right, maybe you can understand it more, or we could talk. All right, we could definitely get something going for you. All right, we'll figure it out. I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys. I want to see where you can go with this information. All right, definitely give me a call. All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.